I stopped recording, bro.
How do I do that?
What's up, guys? Today's a pretty exciting video because we're finally doing some DIYs, and it's not anything crazy, but I think these 3 simple mods really lighten up the Z. Lighten up, you get it, you get it. It's really dark outside, and I wanted to film this at night so that you could actually see the LED differences. But before we begin, you know the deal, the question of the day. So the question for today is gonna be, what is your favorite movie genre? And I'm gonna answer mine actually today, but there's a car coming, so let's pause. Alright, so my favorite movie genre is gonna be suspense/thriller. Some examples that I would give are like movies that have a mind-blowing ending where you just watch it and you're just like, oh, what just happened? So some of my favorite movies are Inception, Interstellar. I like Shutter Island a lot, but those type of movies are my favorite. So put down in the comments below, what's your favorite movie genre? And give me an example with it as well. Let's get into the video, but first, we gotta introduce a special guest for today's video. So the first mod we got is from Diode Dynamics with terrible lighting. Let's use the trunk lighting. Oh, there you go. We got the HP5 lumens LED bulbs. And then we got HP3s, white again. And the last thing is, we got the button delete. So, if you own a Z, you know that this little button thing right here is super annoying because it's literally just 3 blank buttons. What am I supposed to do with this? So now, we have a button delete. So we got the HP3 LED bulb, and we're gonna be installing the map lights now. So all you gotta do is grab something, like a surface, or an obeyed keychain, and all you're gonna do is just get in there. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Oh, yes it does. Get in there and just pop that sucker out. What the? Alright, got it off. And this bulb is probably super hot. Ah, fudge. Alright. It's so hot. Okay, let's get the other side real quick. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do the blank button delete. Like I said earlier, these 3 buttons right here, what is this, like nitrous or something? Oh, super easy. Just take this out and just pull this off. Ugh. I feel like I'm breaking my car when I do this kind of stuff. But there's just little screws right here, 4 of them, that we just have to take off. So let's go find a screwdriver. Alright, let's look through the Bob the Builder toolbox.
Dude, I don't know which one you want. Alright, we're gonna use this one good.
Look at that, it looks so smooth. It's like an ice blue minty little refreshing vibe in there. Guys, I am so cringy, this is bad. Making our way to the back, we're about to change these yellow license plate lights. HP5s, we're about to install them into the license plate. So if you come look under here, we have 2 little slots. So you're gonna come inside of here, and there's like a little tab that you're just gonna pop out. So if you're looking at your Z, it's like this little tab right here, you just pop that out. All right, so basically I just twisted it open and it pops right out. Hopefully it's not hot. All right, oh my God. All right, just pull it out real quick. Go ahead and pop in the LED. Get the cover back on. Twist it back in. Okay, tab out. Twist it. Pop it out. Get the LED. Pull this one out. Push it in. And then go here. Pop that in. Put the tab back on. Oh, we're about to have record time for this one. 5 hours later. Alright. We finally got this thing on. And now, the final piece just to put it in. All right, let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Is it live?
It's live.
Oh, it's live.
It looks so smooth.
You know, all we need now is the fourth brake light.
And it's gonna look so sick in the back.
Those weren't even the real 3 mods. You know what the real 3 mods are? Let me show y'all real quick. The YouTube Stock Boy sticker. That's one.
Gotta run.
Number 2.
And you know what the third mod really is?
Let me see.
Let me show y'all what the real number 3 mod is.
The UH license plate. Go Cougs! This was the first of many DIYs that we're gonna be doing. I know it's not anything crazy, but it's like the small things that actually give your car a different feel. Like these LEDs actually make a huge difference. Like
The cabin looks so much more lively.
this past week, I just wanna thank you guys. In 1 week, I got like 80 subscribers, and that's the most I've ever gotten. So thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the quick little video we had. If you haven't seen my previous video with my Genesis Coupe 5-year update, I'm doing a giveaway for hitting 250 subscribers. I'm gonna be announcing that giveaway in 1 week. So this video is your last chance. I'll put that link in the description below. You have 1 more week, because next Saturday night, I'm gonna be dropping the giveaway winners. That's gonna end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to say bye to the cameraman.